Hello, hello. It is Jenny of Ads Uncorked here. I'm really excited that you are here to check out Facebook ads in a weekend. Now, this course is designed specifically for the e-commerce business owner. No, you don't just have to be on Shopify. You can be on WooCommerce. There are other platforms out there, but the strategies here are meant specifically for e-commerce brands. So your time is precious. I'm going to keep this short, sweet, and to the point. If you are someone who has bought another Facebook ads course in the past and it's failed, it's probably because the strategy that seven-figure course creator or coach made was a strategy that worked for their business, but you need a strategy specific to e-commerce brands. Otherwise, it will fail. I've talked to dozens upon dozens of you who have bought other courses and they haven't worked, and I've learned it's because you're running traffic ads, landing page views, you're going for the brand awareness, then retargeting for the sale, and it doesn't work that way with e-commerce brands. Take a look at this page. You guys can read it for yourselves. I just wanted to leave you a couple quick notes that this course is very comprehensive. You're going to find everything from start to finish of the ad funnels that I set up for all of our brands that are now making over $500,000 a month. And you guys, these are brands that started at only $6,000 a month brands. So this isn't just some huge crazy strategy that only big brands can use for success. No, I've successfully brought brands that are making well under $10,000 a month up to $500,000 months through these strategies here. So I'm going to walk through it on the sales page more in depth with you. Email list growth ads is a bonus that I have included in here right now. It's a strategy that so many e-commerce brands don't use, but these ads are extremely affordable, a great starting point, and that those video lessons are included here now in Facebook ads in a weekend. I also have for you a cheat sheet. This cheat sheet is really great, you guys. I walk through all of the different measures that I look at to know if an ad is working or not. And if it's not working, I tell you the exact pivot I would make. This course is also up to date. I actually update it monthly with any kind of new things that are working for my clients. These strategies are not ones that I would have even taught a few years ago. It's what's working literally right now in real time for my clients. Last thing I'll say is if you need extra support, I actually offer weekly support calls. It's called office hours. You can come, get your questions asked, get your ads looked at, and then of course you can always book me for a private 1-hour call if you feel like you'd like more of a one-on-one experience. I'm super excited to see you inside of the course.